Hey everyone, I'm Stefan and welcome to Cooking with the Kems. Today I'm making this delicious and refreshing passionfruit pineapple margarita. This cocktail is perfect for any occasion, but it goes especially well with some liqueur tacos, which I've made in another video that I'll link down below. So let's get mixing. So right now we're gonna add our passionfruit syrup. We're gonna go about 2.5 of these. Next, we're gonna add a little bit of pineapple puree, just about the same amount as the passion fruit syrup. And now we're gonna add some lime juice to brighten it up. And next, we're gonna add our tequila. Let's add our orange liqueur. We're gonna add our ice to the pitcher and then we're gonna blend it up. Let's grab some chill glasses and add a salt rim with some lime zest. Pour the margarita mix into the glass. And then we're gonna garnish it with some pineapple and a slice of lime. And there you have it, passion fruit pineapple margaritas. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. I'm Stefan, and thanks for watching Cooking with the Kems. We'll see you next time. It's not a lot of tequila, it's actually very delicious, very refreshing, something you can sip on or even pound if you like.